Are you an e-commerce fashion store founder struggling to help customers choose the right outfit? Then this AI automation is exactly what you need. It lets your customers see a realistic preview of how they will look in any outfit instantly. Customers can simply upload their photo and select their preferred outfit from your store. For example, someone can pick a white shirt and a black pant, and the AI generates hyper-realistic visuals of them wearing that dress. This setup helps your customer make confident purchase decisions and reduce returns. Now I'm going to show you a step-by-step process to build this AI automation using Make. So guys, we have developed the front end of this solution on Lovable, and the back end as usual we have developed on make.com. So the final goal of this solution, it can embed to your e-commerce fashion store. So whenever a new customer come into your website, they can simply pick the dress combos that they like, and then they can experience it, how it will look like when they wear it. Here for demo purpose, we have added only few from the inventory. You can see few shirts are here and few pants are here. So when we develop this solution fully, the inventory can be connected here. So all the items in the inventory should see here, but here we have only few for the demo. So I'm just choosing white. As a customer, I need a white shirt, and picking a black pant. Now I want to say it, how it will look like when I wear it. I'm just adding an image, so the customer can add their image here and click on generate. Yep, it's running. Here you can see. Yeah, you can see the make scenarios running in background. Now let's see. Here you can see it beautifully generated the image with the chosen shirt and pants. And now we have a regenerate option. If I didn't like this combo and I want to try with another option, we can simply come here and we can choose another shirt and another pant, or we can simply click on let AI decide colors. So then AI will analyze our body tone and it will create a combo that is suitable for our body color, skin tone and all. So let me try it. Now it's regenerating. The make.com is running. It's going in the second route. This route is for that purpose. Let's wait and see the result. Yeah, here you can see AI decided another color combo. Now it's a blue shirt and a black pant. I think it looks great. Yeah, so we can download this as well. You can see, you can simply click and it will be downloaded. So that's about the overall idea of this solution. Now coming to the backend, here you can see it start with a webhook. So to this webhook, from this front end we are sending data. So whenever we click the button, this webhook will be triggered. Here we will get the photo and the chosen shirt and pant. So initially it will go through the first route. Here you can see in this module we are extracting the photo URL. Now we are listing all the items in the Google Sheet where we have stored all the image links of shirts and pants. This is the sheet. Here you can see, based on the colors, we have created a small set of shirts and pants. So this is just for demo. So if it is a real inventory, there will be hundreds of items. So that's it. Now we are aggregating it. After listing, we are aggregating it for the shirt, pant and color. So only those data. Here we are downloading that pant image, and similarly we are downloading the shirt as well here. So we'll get both the images as the output of these two modules. Now we are uploading those photos along with my photo, the person photo uploaded to Google Gemini API, where we are using the NanoBanana. Here you can see this is the URL for generating the image using NanoBanana, and we are doing a post call and the content type here you can see. And in the body, here you can see this is the structure of the body of the API call. Here we are choosing the first one, we are sending our photo, the person photo, and the first one is shirt photo and the second one pant photo. So here you can see the text as well. This is the prompt: create a professional e-commerce fashion photo, taken the person from the first image and make them wear the shirt from the second image and the pant from the third image, and generate a realistic full body shot of a person wearing this outfit. So this is it's a simple prompt based on your requirement. You can modify it and make it better. So that's it. So it will generate the image with this chosen pant and shirt. Now we are uploading the same to Dropbox, and then we are generating a share link of that file uploaded and sending back as a webhook response to the front end. That then we can see the result here. That's the first case. So the second route, once the image is generated and if I want to try again, then if I choose the let AI decide option as I shown before, then it will go through this route. Here you can see, here we have a filter, stage parameter equal to AI. That this parameter differentiate whether it's a first run or second run. So we can do it as many as we wish. So here we are again, we are downloading the photo here. This is the person photo, and now we are uploading that photo to Gemini, and then we are passing it here and asking to scan the photo to get the body tone of the person. Here you can see the prompt, detailed prompt. It is here. Analyze the image and choose a shirt and pant combo that is matching to their color tone and all. So here you can see, and the output format as the output structure also we are the example also we have mentioned here. So that's it. So this will give a shirt and pant combo matching to the body tone or skin tone of the customer. Now we are now we will get it as a JSON, and we are parsing it, and again the same step that we have done here is repeating here, listing all the items in the Google Sheet. As of now it is our inventory, and creating an array using it, and getting the jean photo here and downloading the shirt photo here using this module, and again uploading them to NanoBanana, and then it will generate the image by wearing the shirt, the chosen shirt and pant for the person, and again uploading to the Dropbox, creating a share link and sending back to the front end using the webhook response module. Here you can see this is the structure. So that's it. Now let's try it one more time. So I'm just choosing another color here, a red shirt and a red pant, and just changing the photo as well. Now let's try it. Let's check in the back end. Yeah, it started running. Yep. So in this output here you can see what we have got. We got the photo that we have uploaded in a format. From this we are extracting the image URL properly, and the chosen shirt color here we can make it as a code as well. So if you have hundreds of items, it's better to go with any code that we can do it when we develop this for the real operation. And we are getting the image URL here. You can see the photo URL we got here, and we have created an array here. This is the array structure. We got all the items. We have total 5 combos, and now we have downloaded the photo here. It's in a binary format, and it's also the shirt photo you can see here. So that's it. Now we have generated, it's using NanoBanana here. You can simply see this. This is our data URL. So that's it. Now we are uploading to the Dropbox. We have uploaded the Dropbox, and we got the share link here. Here you can see we got the link. So that's it, that we are sending back to the front end. Here you can see our result for the second try. Oh, it's really funny. It's not a nice combo actually, so I want to see it good. So I'm just letting AI to decide a best combo. Now the scenario will go through the second route. Yeah, here you can see it's running in the second route here. Yeah, it go through the second route. Here you can see we got the AI predicted a color combo here. You can see in the result. Yeah, a blue shirt and a black pant is very matching for my body tone, that what AI said. So that's it. Now let's see the result. All these steps are same only. Yeah, it looking great actually. So that's about this solution. I hope you understood my explanation well. If you are an e-commerce store founder, we can build this automation for you. Turn your online store into an AI powered shopping assistant and start giving your customers a smarter, faster and more engaging experience.